Hi, PurpleOranji here, and for today's Stay In Play In, I'll be showing you how to make a catapult plane and a spinning helicopter. First, I'll teach you how to make a catapult plane. The materials you'll need are, you'll need paper, scissors, rubber bands, and a pen or pencil. First, you need to fold a paper airplane. Then, punch a hole in the middle of the plane slightly to the front. Loop your rubber band through the hole. Stretch out your rubber band with your pen or pencil. You can use your fingers as well. And let your plane fly! Did you ever think of how a rubber band helps catapult things? Well, this is how it works. When the potential energy stored in a stretched rubber band is converted into kinetic energy when the rubber band snaps back. The kinetic energy will give the projectile a force moving away. In this case, the airplane. Using a rubber band to catapult your plane will make it fly farther and more accurately. Test it with different types of rubber bands and see what your results will be. Another thing to help with your paper airplanes are ailerons. Ailerons help keep the plane steady and assist it in tilting upwards, or making it spin by disrupting the airflow over the wings. Next, let's make the spinning helicopter. This time, you'll need some paper, scissors, a paper clip, and a pen. First, cut out a strip of paper about 5 centimeters by 20 centimeters long, and draw a line down the middle. You also need to fold down the top third of the paper. Then, to make the blades, unfold the paper and cut a bit of the paper down the middle. Make marks on the line you drew halfway between each edge and the middle, and cut in from each edge up to the mark. Fold one edge to the pencil mark and fold the other edges as well. Next, fold up the bottom edge until it reaches the line beneath the blades. Crease the fold well so the paper lies flat. After that, push a paper clip onto the bottom of the helicopter. Fold one blade to the back and one to the front. And now you're done. Throw up your helicopter and have some fun. That's it for today. Bye! And remember, join us tomorrow for another Stay In Play In.